Welcome to the best picks. The best windshield repair kit is probably one of the most important purchases you will ever make for your car, because a cracked windshield can severely impact your driving safety and even cause accidents. This video will show you how to pick the best windshield repair kit for your needs, covering everything from ease of use to the effectiveness of the repair, and ultimately saving you a ton of money compared to professional replacement. Number 5. VICKJES Windshield Repair Kit. Do you have annoying cracks or chips on your windshield? This kit makes quick and easy repairs, saving you time and money. It's a comprehensive solution for fixing those unsightly chips and cracks. This kit has everything you need for a professional-looking repair. The simple step-by-step instructions make it easy for anyone to use, even without prior experience. You'll be amazed by the results. This kit includes everything you need: repair fluid, curing strip, and all the necessary tools for a complete repair. It effectively repairs various types of damage, including chips, cracks, and star-shaped cracks. Restore your windshield's clarity and safety. With this kit, you can easily repair damage and restore your windshield to its original condition. Drive with confidence again. What we like. It's simple to use, gets the job done quickly, and won't break the bank. If you're looking for a budget-friendly solution to small windshield damage, this is a great option. It's perfect for DIY enthusiasts on a tight budget who need a fast and effective repair. What people say. It is easy to have the screw part on the plunger upside down, but it flips over, a duh moment. Overall, I was impressed with how easy and well it worked. There is still a tiny spot and evidence of the spread, but it is 90% better and holding. This windshield repair kit was pretty straightforward to use. The suction cup resin insertion apparatus worked reasonably well. It was difficult to know whether I had placed the suction cup resin insertion apparatus in the best location on the windshield. It took about 30 minutes to fill the chip with resin, and then 15 minutes to remove the curing film and scrape the residual resin off the chip surrounding with the provided razor blade. I am glad that the kit has 3 more bottles of resin, so I can use it again if I have another chip. Number 4. DIY Windshield Repair Kit. It's frustrating to have a cracked windshield. This kit makes repairing small chips and cracks easy and affordable. This innovative filler is the key to a seamless repair. It works on star-shaped cracks and other small damage. No need for expensive professional repairs. This kit provides everything you need for a simple, at-home fix. The clear instructions guide you through the process, step by step. Even beginners can achieve professional-looking results. It's more than just a cosmetic fix. It helps restore the structural integrity of your windshield, keeping you safer on the road. Save money and time with this convenient kit. Repair your windshield quickly and easily from the comfort of your home. What we like. This kit uses a specialized nano fluid for superior results and includes all the necessary tools for a successful DIY repair. If you are comfortable with a hands-on approach and want a high-quality repair, this is the kit for you. It's ideal for those who want to tackle the repair themselves and achieve professional-looking results. What people say. So far, T has stopped any chip from spreading. Works as expected. It concealed my chip very well, but just know if it is a crack it will run. It's not a hard resin. Product is fine. Number 3. Delta Kit's Easy 250S. This mobile auto glass repair kit gives you everything you need to fix windshield damage. It's professional-grade quality, but easy enough for anyone to use. The kit includes our i100S injector for precise resin application and a mini rotary tool for perfect drilling. These tools ensure a flawless repair every time. You get all the supplies you need for up to 100 repairs. That's enough to handle a lot of rock chips and small cracks. It's designed for ease of use, so you can get professional-level results without any special training. Save money and time by fixing your own windshield. Get professional rock chip and crack repair performance at an entry-level price. It's a smart investment for your vehicle and your wallet. With its comprehensive tools and supplies, it's the ultimate solution for quick and effective windshield repairs. Get yours today. What we like. It offers professional-level performance at an affordable price, with enough supplies for numerous repairs. If you need a durable, long-lasting solution that provides excellent value, this is an excellent choice. This is perfect for those who want the quality of a professional repair without the professional price tag. What people say. The tools are of great quality. Got the kit quickly and in good order. Great quality. Number 2. Zoom Windshield Repair Kit. Say goodbye to costly windshield replacements. This kit empowers you to perform professional repairs, saving you and your customers money. With an average return of $11,605, it's a smart investment that quickly pays for itself. Start seeing profits almost immediately. Earn an average of $65 per repair. That's a significant profit margin on each job you complete. Keep your operational costs low. Consumables cost only 35 cents per repair, maximizing your earnings. This comprehensive kit includes enough supplies for up to 250 repairs. You'll be equipped to handle a large volume of work. It provides everything you need to deliver professional, high-quality repairs that meet the highest standards. What we like. With a high return on investment and the ability to perform many repairs, it's a smart choice for both personal use and potential business ventures. If you're looking for a high-yield investment with professional-grade results, this is the kit for you. It's perfect for those who value efficiency and profitability. What people say. Kit contained everything as promised. It was easy to use and I started making repairs right away. This was a nice professional kit, comparable to the Promaxim kits. Number 1. Windshield Repair Kit. It uses an advanced glass repair fluid. This ensures high transparency in a firm repair, leaving your windshield looking great. Repair chips and small cracks in just 20 to 30 minutes. It prevents further damage and restores your windshield to near-new condition. It's suitable for various chips and cracks, including cobwebs, half-moon cracks, and star-shaped damage. It quickly repairs cracks up to 12 inches long and circular damage under 1 inch in diameter. The kit includes detailed instructions. Simply fix the bracket, pour in the fluid, use the pressure cylinder, and wait 20 to 30 minutes. Then, gently scrape off any excess. It's compact and easy to carry. The small box keeps everything organized, and any leftover solution is easily stored for future use. What we like. It boasts an advanced resin formula for superior bonding and a quick repair time. If you value speed and a strong, long-lasting repair, this is the kit you need. It's ideal for those who want a fast, effective, and versatile solution for a wide range of windshield damage. What people say. Una de las primeras tareas para las que utilis LWD 40 fue lubricar las bisagras crujientes de las puertas. Unas pocas pulverizaciones en cada bisagra y, como por arte de magia, el sonido desagradable desapareció. La versatilidad del WD 40 también se destacó cuando enfront tornillos resistentes y oxidados. Rossi generosamente sobre los tornillos rebeldes y, después de unos minutos, pude aflojarlos sin esfuerzo. Otro beneficio sorprendente es su capacidad para proteger contra el óxido. Después de aplicar el WD 40 en las áreas propensas a la corrosión, como las herramientas metálicas del garage, note una reducción significativa en la formación de óxido. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.